Hello everyone, we welcome you back to our kitchen. Since many of you have previously enjoyed our irresistible stuffed beef bun recipe, we thought we would show you another tasty variations. So let us present you with our chicken and vegetable stuffed buns recipe. These perfectly seasoned buns, filled with tender chicken, carrots, celery, and mushrooms, make a fantastic grab-and-go snack or a quick and filling lunch. So let us show you how to make them. The first step is to prepare the dry ingredients. We need 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of bread flour and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix and set it aside. In a separate bowl, combine half cup of lukewarm water. Next, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Give it a stir and wait for 15 minutes to activate the yeast. You should see the yeast start to foam up. This is a good indicator that the yeast is good. In the meantime, beat 1 egg and set it aside. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the yeast. Add the beaten egg. Add 1/3 cup of room temperature milk. Give it a good stir and combine it with the dry ingredients. Stir the ingredients with a spatula at first. Then, once the mixture has formed a dough, use your hand to mix it. Transfer to a flat surface and start kneading. You may add a little flour if the dough is too sticky. Continue rolling and folding until the dough becomes soft and stretchy. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Place the dough and coat it with oil. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap. Then allow it to rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. To make the filling, start by slicing 3 strips of bacon. The bacon gives the filling a nice smoky flavor. Fry the bacon in a large pot over medium-high heat. Fry them until they are nice and crispy. Chop about 1 cup of yellow onion. And into the pot. Chop about 1 cup of carrot. Chop about 1 cup of celery. Throw them in the pot and start stirring until the vegetables are starting to get tender. Dice into bite-sized pieces of 600 grams of boneless chicken thighs. You may use chicken breasts, but we like the thighs because of their flavor and tenderness. Add the chicken and cook for 5 minutes or until almost cooked through. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and season with salt and black pepper. Slice 2 cups of cremini mushrooms. Stir until the mushrooms are tender. Now add 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 cup of chicken stock. This will help to bind the ingredients together, making it easier to stuff them in a dough. Continue cooking for 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, add 1 cup of fresh or frozen green peas. Stir until the peas are cooked. Remove the pot from the heat and allow the filling to cool. After 1 to 2 hours, the dough should be doubled or tripled in size. Knead the dough for a couple of minutes and divide them into 8 pieces. Flatten the dough into a 5-inch circle about a 1/4 inch thick using a rolling pin. If the dough is too sticky, you may need to add some flour. Add 3 tablespoons of the chicken filling to the center and add 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese on top. Fold and enclose the dough to make a round bun. To give the buns a golden and shiny finish, beat 1 egg and add 1 tablespoon of milk in a small bowl. Then brush on top of the buns. To make the buns look more aesthetic, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Then bake the buns for 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there they are, freshly baked from the oven and ready to be savored. We hope you enjoyed this chicken bun recipe. If you do, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.